Hi, hello, welcome to Job Updates by Money. Today we are going to see one notification of JRF post, and that is ICMR National Institute of Traditional Medicine, Balagavi, Nehru Nagar National Highway number 4 in Balagavi, Karnataka. And title of the project is Bioprospections of few selected ethnic medicinal plants, Northeast India, for their phytocategorizations and experimental validation of its tribal use towards drug development against inflammatory pain disorders and rheumatoid arthritis. So this is the title of the project, and applications are invited from the eligible candidate to be filled purely. It is based on purely temporary basis in the following ad hoc extramural research project. This is the title of the project, and one there is a one vacancy of JRF to working under this project. For the essential qualification, what is the qualification they need to ask is the postgraduate degree in professional course like pharmacology, pharmacognosy, and pharmacy, and are a postgraduate degree in basic science with net qualification. If you have a net qualification, definitely you are eligible for this, or graduate degree in professional course with net qualification. So net qualification is basic, and next desirable qualification, it may or may not experience in animal handling, animal models and informations, and scholars who have are selected through the national eligibility test, like UGC net or CSR net, including the lectureship, assistant professorship, gate, and CGB. It is additional qualification which can be enhanced to your plus point to your to recruitment of this post. Job requirement, what is the requirement for that? Means to execute the pharmacological experiments in an animal model of inflammations and arthritis, cell based same, and photochemical categorization of plant extracts and any other related work assigned by the principal or investigator in that. So consolidated emolument, how much stipend they need to provide for you means 31,000 they need to provide, and HRA 4,960 per month they need to provide. Upper age limit, the age limit for this fellowship is 35 years. And terms and conditions, what is the terms and conditions? First thing is, candidate willing to apply for this post may download the application form from ICMR NITM website, and in the last itself I have given for that, and duly filled up a hard copy of the application affixing a recent passport size photograph along with the self-attested copies of self-attested copies of all the certificates and experience certificates also you need to include it in that. And finally, the director ICMR National Institute of Medicine, Nehru Nagar, Belgavi, before 5 o'clock of PM, 12 11 Q 2022. It means February 11th. It's the last date for this job, and you need to send to the offline manner also. While sending the application, candidate should attach the application form along with all the document related education and experience in chronological order. And the last received application will not be considered. Only the shortlisted candidate will be called for the interview. It means offline or either online. So no correspondence will be entered in the regard. So they need to call for the interview either offline or online based upon the requirements, and number of vacancies are likely to be vary. And above position or ad hoc external research project purely on the temporary, it can be a temporary basis. The requirement will be depend on the requirement of project, and approve of the competent authority. So these are the elements. Next one is age concession. It means SC candidates have some age relaxation, and the cutoff date for the age limit will be the last date of applications. 11th February is the last date for that, and based on the reserved category, candidate must produce their caste certificate. The person who has been SC ST candidate, OBC candidate, they must produce the caste certificate of recent. And merely filling the essential qualification does not guarantee the selections. So only the essential qualification is not the guarantee for the selection. The person already in regular time scale of service under any government or organization, they are not apply for this exam, because they won't take the type of persons. And the no TADA will be paid a candidate who have earned the transport accommodation. They could not able to give the TADA for the written examination or interview itself. The candidate it should reserve the right to consider or reject any application or candidates. Submission of wrong or false information during the process selection will should disqualify the candidate at any stage. Because of, is there any miscommunication, is there any problem, definitely they need to be disqualify. Selected candidates will be normally posted on studies site. They are liable to serve any part of country, and selected candidates shall not claim any post or regular post. So the selected candidates should not take advantage of that. I need to uh, take this like a job, so you don't tell that, because it's a purely temporary basis. And these are the qualification which I have been mentioned that. So please utilize these vacancies, because which is Bangalore, Karnataka, it's a Belgavi. So it will be um, very reputed National Institute of Tradition Medicine, ICMR. Better to the who are eligible for this job, definitely apply for this one, and definitely to get this job. And thank you very much. And next one is, I need to show that application form of ICMR, National Institute of Medicine, Indian Council, and the proforma of biodata. These are the biodata you need to be attached to, and additionally you need to attach the application forms and name of the post applied and the name of the project, and the black letters you need to write. This is the proforma, and email ID, mobile number, as date of birth, means address, permanent address, date of birth, marital status, educational qualification, experiences, and finally the declarations, date, signature of the candidate. Finally, you send to the offline manner also. So this is the format. And thank you very much.